Good evening and welcome to the Fall 2022 Back to School Night for Langley High School. My name is Mr. McMichael and I teach I teach three algebra courses, two with Ms. Tensel, and I also teach two Algebra 2 classes. So a little bit about myself. This is my first year at Langley High School. Prior to that, I was at Westfield High School in the district, and I came across the country from California teaching math at Antioch and then within the San Jose Unified School District. Prior to that, I taught private school at the Shipley School as well as Germantown Friends, and I started my career in the Philadelphia School District. So I was born in Philadelphia. I actually have an engineering background in education from Temple University, and I went back to school and got a master's in education from Widener University. And I have several years of teaching and coaching experience, which is not on here. So I've coached high school baseball, football, and I have also coached at the collegiate level football. So for math, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. That means to be really good at it, your son or daughter needs to make sure they do the homework and do the assignments to the best of their ability. And we'll talk a little bit more about that. I think really the first thing is they need to be here and be here on time. I start the class on time. They have an activity they need to do when they come in, so they will be marked tardy. Definitely if they come in after the bell, and I usually take attendance within the first 5 minutes of class. And please, if they come in tardy, please, I try to remind them. They need to remind me that they came in tardy. So if I'm in the middle of instruction and I'm not pausing instruction to correct the attendance, I will correct it at the end of class to reflect that they came in late. So if they're absent from class, information can be found on Schoology. I plan on starting to make videos for the second unit as well. So they'll be able to get unit notes and all that from the videos that will be posted, as well as the completed notes that will be posted in Schoology. Typical class, as I already stated, the end of the class, they need to look at the slide that is projected on the board that's going to give them an outline of what's happening during the day. There's some type of warm-up that they need to do, direct them where to get that and how to get that done. The note sections that we're going to cover that day. Assignments will be listed there along with reminders of quiz dates and test dates are up there every day for them to see. So it should not be a surprise when they have any type of assessment. The Schoology is organized by units. So each unit, is about 9 of them for the year, will have all the information in there, and inside the units it will be broken down into notes, and then I am definitely going to change the way I post homework. It will be a little bit more clear and succinct, and any important information like the syllabus and general information about the class can be found in that red start folder. And like I said, we'll be doing several things on several different platforms. The biggest one is MathSpace, which is the official platform and text for the class. They'll also do some work out of the textbook as well, and there are quizzes, which is a platform, and Desmos is another platform where they will be doing activities and learning. So this is a rolling grade book, and I'm sure you've seen this slide multiple times. So it is a cumulative document. Students' final grade is determined by a combination of all the assessments and assignments throughout the year, and you basically are getting quarterly interim reports throughout the year, and it's just a snapshot. You can see the syllabus for more information on that. Okay, so the rolling grade book is made up of basically 3 sections that make the grade. So tests are worth 50%, and there's a test at the end of every unit, and there's about 9 units, so there's about 9 tests. There are quizzes that are given throughout the unit. Generally, there is 2 per unit, not always. Some units are short, so there's roughly about 18, 19 quizzes. Assignments are 10% of the grade. And this all makes up 90% of the grade. I neglected to put this in the slide. This all makes up 90% of the grade with a 10% final, an overall final that is given on the last day of school, the last day of class, not the last day of school maybe, but the last day that they have me in class. There will be a final of 10%. All this can be found in the syllabus. Okay, so be sure to sign the digital resources at Langley High School so that they can use the various resources that we are able to use on the platform in the internet, on the various platforms in the internet. Okay. I believe in being proactive, so I'll send out progress reports after each unit test, so you can look at that. Please follow your child's progress on SIS, and please reach out to me through the email listed on the syllabus. My objective is to get back in contact with you within one working day. So thank you for listening to this, and unfortunately, if you were not able to make it to back to school night, sorry we missed, and please, if you want to have a meeting or whatever, contact me. Please feel free to do so. Thank you.